The Efomao Big Tall Chair is designed with adjustability in mind, featuring height-adjustable armrests and a seat that can be customized for optimal comfort. With a reclining function that allows the back to tilt up to 135 degrees, this chair also includes a retractable footrest to enhance your relaxation during breaks. Built to support up to 400 pounds, the chair's strong metal base and ergonomic design provide excellent support for your neck and spine during extended periods of use. Crafted from breathable fabric, this chair offers a touch of luxury while ensuring durability and safety through its SGS and BIFIMA certifications. Efomao ensures an easy installation process with all necessary tools included, allowing you to have the chair set up in as little as 15 to 30 minutes. Customer satisfaction is a priority for Efomao, with a dedicated support team available to address any inquiries or assist with your experience.